Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 5 different ways to locate the Keynote application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Keynote application as well as the terminal command prompt. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. And so the first way to locate the Keynote application is to go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, search for the Keynote application if it's not visible on screen. Keynote. That should open up on screen, wait for that to load. And there we go. We are now ready to start creating the presentations. So let's now quit Keynote. And so the second way is to go all the way down to the dock. If we have it readily available on the dock, we can click on Keynote. That should open up the Keynote application again. Let's now quit Keynote. And so if we go all the way down to the dock again, for the third way, go to the Find Application. Now go to Applications. This should give us a list of every application on the Mac computer via the hard drive. So let's now search Keynote, double click on this. This should open up the Keynote application. And so that's the third way. We can now quit Keynote. We can quit the Find Application. So the fourth way to open up the Keynote application on a Mac computer would be through the Spotlight search. So Command Space, search for Keynote, enter to open up the Keynote application on screen. There we go. We can now start creating these presentations. Let's now quit Keynote. And the fifth way to open up the Keynote application is to go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the terminal command prompt, search for this, open up the terminal command prompt on screen. Now increase the size of the terminal window as well as the text size. Command plus a couple of times, ls to list all the content on screen. We know that we are in the Computer Science Videos directory. If I now see the application, semicolon ls to list the content within the applications directory, we will not be given any applications. That's because Computer Science Videos is not the main admin account on this computer. If we now change directory, we would have to go 2 directories back, cd .. ls. Now we are in the Macintosh hard drive, cd applications, semicolon ls to list all the applications on this Mac computer. If I now were to type in the command, open keynote.application / enter, this should open up the Keynote application for the 5th way on the Mac computer. We can now quit Keynote, clear all the content on the terminal command prompt, change directory, exit the terminal, quit the terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.